Alright, welcome to my channel. This is Lock Chuck. What I'm going to be working on today is this Illinois Duo wafer lock. It has 3 active rows of wafers. See by the key, you got the top, bottom, and then you have that side set of wafers that are also active. So I believe there's some other wafers along this key, but they're inactive, so I think there's a total of 14 active and maybe 18 total, if I remember reading that correctly. So thanks to Lady Locks, I watched her video on picking, that helped me out a lot, and Red Wanderer, I'm using his little trick of putting 2 tensioners together to help fill up that keyway. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going in with a flag first, and I'm going to try to set the side ones first. That'll get me into a little bit of a false set, and then I can go from there. And as most of you know, as soon as the camera comes on, the lock gets very shy. So bear with me. Hopefully I'll have my first purple belt lock picked. Alright, hopefully you saw that. False set. See the lines here. Just give Buddy a little bit of a check. Make sure we're good. I believe we are. And you see a pretty deep false set now. I got those side pins set. So I'm going to switch to the monkey paw and try to start setting top and bottom. Alright, getting deeper and deeper. Really fun lock to pick so far. Just checking each wafer. A little nudge, a little click. Back and forth, top, going back and forth between the top and the bottom. Just giving them a little nudge. You may get a little bit of feedback, a little counter rotation. Just Lady Lock said it does kind of pick like spools. So I feel like I'm just got one more to go. If I can just a little bit false, deeper false set. Check the bottom again. That will kind of pay like a spool. Back through. Just give by a nudge. So everything's feeling pretty solid, so pretty deep vault set. So oh, there we go. One in the middle on the top. All right. Ooh, that's open. All right. So not sure how much of a gut I have to do as far as the belts are concerned. So I'm not going to do a full gut on this. Hopefully it's not completely required. But I am going to show you that all the wafers are there. Oops, wrong thing. Frame. Okay, put my finger on these so it shoots out. Alright, so bring that up. You see there's all wafers are there for the top. They are springy, so the springs are in them. And then push them back the other way. Don't want to push them out too far, but then it exposes the springs. Okay. Still goes in, so try to stick this in the right way. Alright. Alright. Hopefully I don't have to gut this thing any further. But anyway, there we go. That is the Illinois Duo lock. Let me put it back together real quick on camera, just in case I need that. But get that little orange screw. Back in. Spring. That. Okay. Lock it back up. There we go. You have it, the Illinois Duo cabinet lock, purple lock picked. Ooh. Thank you for tuning in. If you haven't given me a subscribe, I'd appreciate it. And as always, give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Thank you.